Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket traverse. Now the basket traverse is almost identical, in fact the footwork is identical to the sway traverse, and the sway traverse has more frame to work with. So instead of working with a frame this size, you're working with a frame this size. Makes it easier to lead and follow, which means I would heartily recommend that you learn the sway traverse first. So you need to know how to do a basket, you need to know how to do a sway traverse. Links to those in the description below. Assuming you've got those in your repertoire, you're going to realise that very rapidly you can cram those two things together to get one of these. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it is literally identical footwork to the sway traverse. So we go back 1, we wrap into the basket 2. From here we're going to bring the hands down, we're going to do a step back for everybody on the right, and then on the left bringing the lady through the middle. So you're leading the lady to step between you, you're going to draw the right foot back, and then we've got our just standard traverse footwork where you go forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward. And then the slight difference, because you can exit these moves different ways, we're just going to do a twist and in, sending the lady out, raising the hand, return to finish. So let's talk numbers. It is pretty much identical numbers to the sway traverse. So we're going to go back 1, wrap 2, going back right 3, going back left 4, we go forwards for 5, we go back for 6, we go forwards for 7, we go back for 8, we go forwards for 1, we go back for 2, we go forwards for 3, we twist out 4, send the lady out 5, facing 6, return 7 and back 8. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket traverse. You go a back, wrap, right, left, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, twist, away, and look, return and back. Obviously if you've got space, instead of doing it in a loop, you could have done it out in a straight line and gone miles off down the dance floor, and obviously how long you go for before you exit is up to you as well. I hope that one turns out to be something that you end up enjoying on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, so you like a move, do pop a like on it. Yeah, subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that, because it helps us make things happen, which means we can produce more stuff. And the notification bell means you get told every time something comes out, so you never miss a video. Okay, music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up will be a link to a music video, which is a good song to dance this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.